A balance sheet helps business owners understand the financial position of the company at a specific point in time. Start by reviewing the assets section, which shows everything the business owns or controls. Current assets are short-term resources like cash and receivables, while non-current assets include equipment and property. Next, review liabilities to understand the company's financial obligations and outstanding debts. Equity shows the remaining value of the business after all liabilities are subtracted from assets. The balance sheet always follows the equation: assets equal liabilities plus equity. Reading a balance sheet properly helps businesses evaluate liquidity, debt levels, and overall financial stability. Financial Management Academy teaches how to read and analyze financial statements step by step. Want a bookkeeping system that actually helps your business grow? Visit our website to get started.